Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Wi-Fi 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Asani Fully Assembled Mini 3D Printer. Introducing the Asani Mini 3D Printer, a complete starter kit designed for kids and beginners. This fully assembled printer comes with everything you need to start printing right away. With a compact size and lightweight design, it's perfect for home use, classrooms, and dorms. The printer features easy auto leveling, making it simple and hassle-free to achieve high-precision prints. The one-touch filament loading allows you to easily load and retract filament with just a button press. And with open-source printing compatibility, you can use your preferred operating system and unleash your imagination. Dive into the world of 3D printing the easy way with the Asani Mini 3D Printer. What we like: complete starter kit, fully assembled, easy auto leveling. Number 2. Entina 2 Plus V3 3D Printer. The Entina 2 Plus printer offers a fast printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, helping you finish your projects quickly without long waits. Its high-power fan ensures your models cool down efficiently, resulting in more stable and detailed prints. This compact and smart printer connects easily via Wi-Fi and works with the PoloPrint cloud, making it simple to find and print models directly from your phone or computer. Plus, it comes fully assembled so you can start printing right away, with beginner-friendly software and tutorials included to make your 3D printing experience smooth and enjoyable. What we like: high-speed printing, efficient cooling system, Wi-Fi connectivity, fully assembled setup, beginner-friendly software. Number 3. Entina 2S Wi-Fi 3D Printer. The Entina 2S printer is a user-friendly 3D printer designed especially for beginners and kids. Its compact size and fully assembled setup mean you can start printing right away without any hassle. With the PoloPrint Cloud app, you gain access to over 1,000 models in easy one-click control, making it simple to manage your prints and even create your own designs. The printer offers high precision with detailed prints and fast speeds, so you can complete projects quickly without sacrificing quality. Plus, the upgraded Wi-Fi ensures fast and stable file transfers, giving you a smooth and convenient printing experience at home, school, or office. What we like: easy setup and use, large model library, high precision printing, fast, stable Wi-Fi transfer. Number 4. Hefi 3D Tina 2S 3D Printer. The Hefi 3D Tina 2S printer is a user-friendly 3D printer designed for beginners. With its smart app for wireless printing, you can easily slice and print models from your smartphone or tablet, making the process hassle-free. The fully open-source design allows you to customize and upload your own models seamlessly. Enjoy a quiet printing experience with its advanced motherboard that operates at low noise levels, ensuring you can work without distractions. Plus, the auto-leveling feature simplifies setup, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than technical adjustments. What we like: user-friendly wireless printing, fully open-source customization, quiet operation, auto-leveling for ease. Number 5. Hefi 3D Tina 2 Plus High-Speed 3D Printer. The Hefi 3D Tina 2 Plus printer offers a fast and user-friendly 3D printing experience. With speeds up to 250 mm per second, it lets you finish projects quickly, saving you time and boosting creativity. Its fully assembled design means you can start printing right away without complicated setup. The auto-leveling feature ensures your print bed is perfectly adjusted, making it easier to get high-quality results. Plus, the smart wireless printing via the PoloPrint Cloud app allows you to upload and control prints directly from your phone or tablet, giving you great convenience and control over your creations. What we like: high-speed printing, fully assembled, auto bed leveling, wireless app control.